Hi guys, Joe here. This Skrama, you know what it is from that company I can't say. I bought this one for a project, and you can see there's massive chips in it all along there. I'm just going to try to fix this. Like I said, I only bought it for a project. I didn't actually chip this myself. If you want to know where the chips are, you just run your thumb across there. There's one there. There's one there. One there, big one there, another one there, and you can feel the chips. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the workshop. I'm going to try to get these chips out. I don't want to go probably as deep as this one. You can see that's quite deep. That's going to match up probably with this thing here, which is the other grind for close work. And this is supposed to be the chopping area. So the person who had this before me, I don't know what they chopped, but it must have hit something like a nail or whatever. But let's try to get these chips out. So I'm using the work sharp on a 25-degree angle. And I'm going to do a couple of pulls and see how we get on. Because I'd rather do it this way than freehand. So I'm going to start from the back. I know it's a different grind, but that's not going to make a difference anymore. So now by doing that, you can see the chips very clearly now. Got a good edge on it already, but yeah, so we're gonna work on these ones mainly. I'm gonna do a few more passes and I'll let you know how we're going on. Okay, I've done about a half hour of alternating sides, and then now you can see the edge here. Just there. There isn't any chips anymore. I took out the separation bit here and made it all one thing because there's a chopper anyway, so we wouldn't be using it for like fine woodwork. But you can see the edge on it now. It's pretty clear, nice and shiny there. Sharpness wise, let's move that out of the way. As I said, you can see it. It's nice. It doesn't have to be this sharp, but this is only on the the hardest grit. I forgot what it was, but yeah, happy with that. Nice little fix up. Now I just want to fix up the way it looks. So we got some paint stripper here, which I'm going to put on the blade itself to get rid of the blackness from the coating, and I'll show you how that looks after. I left this on for about an hour or two, and it looks like this, and then it looks bad, but it all wipes off, as you can see. So it just helps get any other that paint that was stuck on off. I used the stuff before. It's pretty good. Budget friendly. But there you go. So I'll just keep cleaning this off now. You can see. And then let's do that side. So after cleaning off the paint stripper, I got some of this Peak polisher, and then just scrub that up and down to get the rest of the marks off. So as you can see now, it looks pretty good. Much better than, when I first got it. You can still see that edge. Very nice. So still cleaning it up, but that's an update on it. And this is the finished product. So looks nice and clean now. This is just some stuff I do for maintenance. Edge looks good. No chips. cleaned it up, got some of that paint off, polished it, and just cleaned it. Let me know what you think in the comments section. Any easier ways of doing this, let me know. Thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you next video.